Welcome back to our podcast. Myself, Dr. Swastik Budolia, and topic of this podcast is homeopathic pharmacy. Apple number 264 to 272. Now, apple number 264. True physician must be provided with genuine medicine of unimpaired strength. Now, apple number 265. Employment of correct medicine. Physician should give correct medicine prepared by himself. Now, apple number 266. Medicines, vegetable and animal kingdom. Footnote: all medicines are animal and vegetable substance, drench man's health each in own peculiar way. Medicine virtue are destroyed by cooking, fermentation, smoking, heating, by additions of salt. By standing long time, deadly poisons become powerless. Now, apple number 267. Medicines, indigenous plants. Indigenous plants. Preparation of drug from indigenous plants. Now, footnote: Hahnemann first published this mode of preparation of the drug in Organon, first edition at 1810, from where Russian learned, but Watlos gives credit to Russian. O tempora, O moros, मतलब O the times, O the way. Those old days are no more. Footnote number 2. Usually alcohol in equal part with freshly expressed juices causes disposition of fibrinous and albuminous matter. Double quantities of alcohol required. Substance containing thick mucus, substance containing excessive albumin, substance deficient of juice should be pounded into a most. Apple number 268. Medicine from exotic substances. Exotic drug substance should never be taken pulverized from on trust, but no convenience genuineness in their crude state. Footnote: powdered drug should be perfectly dried by butter. Now, apple number 269. By a peculiar process, potentization, all drug substance become penetratingly facetiousness. Dynamic power is affected by mechanical action upon the smallest particle of drug by means rubbing and shaking. Dry or liquid to be added. Footnote: first, dynamization is done by the process of trituration or suction. It is the physiological and pathological law discovered by Hahnemann. Footnote number 2. Homeopathic medicinal potencies are not mere dilutions, and when they are very opposite. Now, apple number 270. Methods of dynamization or preparation of 30th potency. Preparations of 50 millisiemens potencies. And footnote: first, trituration process. Footnote 2. Potentization vial must be 2/3 filled. Stroke are done on a leather bound book. Footnote 4. Preparation and purification of globules. Footnote 5. Medicines of globules. Footnote 6. 1 drop of 50 millisiemens potency is observed by the 500 globules. Powerful suctions by machine cause higher dynamization. Footnote number 7. Method of dynamization is most powerful at the time of mildest action. Most perfectible methods. Apple number 271. Physician's knowledge of pharmacy. Sulfur, metal, petroleum, phosphorus, natural salt, dried vegetable substances, animal substances should be titrated at up to 3 potency. Then it should be converted into the liquid potency or jumping potency. Now, aphorism number 271 footnote. Preparation up to 30th potency decreases in materia medica pura in the preface of arsenic and pulsatilla. Now aphorism number 272. Administration of one single simple medicinal substance at what time, or administration of the remedy. Footnote: if one medicine seems to cover one portion of disease or another medicine cover the other symptom of the disease, both remedies should not be prescribed at same time. Or a globules crushed with sugar of milk and dissolved in water will produce more powerful effect on than dry globule, because dry globule touch only few nerves, where the liquid doses touch many nerves. Footnote: globules can retain medicinal properties for many years. It protected from sunlight and heat. Thank you.